welcome to Thoughts with T. My name is Oluwa Toyin. If you're joining us for the first time, if you are a returning subscriber, and I hope that this video helps you to come on here and answer the questions we have been asking. I'll just go right into it. The first question is, please, can I get a page and what document should I prepare for uploading into Uni-Assist? So the first question that came to my mind when I saw this question was, what page are you talking about? So if you're talking about the application page, it's very easy. When you are doing your application, when you're on the page of your university, you would most likely see a link to Uni-Assist. If you do not find it, just Google Uni-Assist. You are likely to end up in the right place. And then what document should I prepare for uploading into Uni-Assist? So my first response would be, different universities, different courses request for different documents. So the first advice that will come just right off the top of my head would be, what documents can you find on the page of the course you want to apply to? Those are the documents you should prepare. I think there is a playlist on this channel. I already made a video that details documents that you can prepare if you want to apply to study in Germany, so you can refer to this. I hope that helps. The second question here is help for applying for free. So I'm not reading the questions completely, but second question here literally says you need help for applying for free tuition in Germany. Okay, most of the universities in Germany have free tuition. They offer free tuition. I must add this, every semester there is a semester contribution called semester fee to be paid every semester. That's every 6 months. So there is this. Now apart from this, there's no tuition fee. However, there are some universities in Germany that do take tuition fee. Like there's a state in Germany, I believe, that actually requests, like the universities in this state actually take tuition fees. So if you are going to this state, then most likely you'll be paying tuition fees. But the majority of universities in Germany offer free tuition. If you need help for applying for free tuition in Germany, I'll just say literally you need help to apply to many of the universities in Germany. Then at this point I would say check the how to apply part, because every university website has a how to apply. So just open the how to apply. It will really help you. If you still need more help, I also have, I think, 2 videos actually, if not 3, talking about how to apply. Like the title of the video is literally how to apply. Just try and watch this video. I hope it helps you. And then I think lastly would be to Google. There are so many people that have done this before you, and some of them have put out their experiences online. If you're in Nigeria, I think Nairaland or something like this. Yes, there are so many people that have put out their experiences online. In one of the videos that I made, I literally documented the process. I did as if I was applying to a course, like what you would do if you were applying. This is what I did. So I hope this helps you. Is it possible to apply for financial loan while in South Africa? That's the KFW student loan. My response would be, please check the website of the KFW. Check the FAQ section. I could give you an information right now, and then in 1 week, something changes. So I would just say, as at the time you are seeing this video, just Google KFW student loan and check the FAQ section. Another thing you could do is this person asked this question, said she has already started studying online, like from home. You're a student in Germany, in South Africa anyway. So I would say that you can send like an email to Studentenwerk of your university. So you probably know what Studentenwerk is, and if you are a student watching this, you probably know what Studentenwerk is. So just send an email to the Studentenwerk of your university and just exactly this question, just ask them via an email. Another thing is, send an email to your international office. They might have this information, but the place I would really say, okay, send an email to would be Studentenwerk. Yes, if you send an email to them, you probably would get the response that you need. I hope this information helps you. Then the next question is, how can I help? I can't put the name of the school I studied. So what came to my mind when I saw this was, where do you want to put the name of the school you studied? So if it's in the application form that you want to put the name of the school that you studied, well, if you cannot find the name of your school, then many times they usually put the option that you can type it in. So you type it in. Many times there's usually that option that if you can't find the name of your school, so this option probably will be there. But if this doesn't work, send an email to the admissions office. Usually on the page, on the university page, there's usually contact information to the admissions office. They usually have an email. They send them an email. They will tell you what to do. Most likely they will tell you what to do. I hope this information helps. Then number 5. After uploading the document, must I courier my documents to Uni-Assist before my application will be processed? Must you courier your documents to Uni-Assist? On many occasions, you have to send your documents to Uni-Assist. However, please let's deal with this on a case-by-case basis. So, what does the requirement say? If the requirement says send your document, then send it. Just go to DHL, pack your document inside brown envelope, package it well, send it. And if they don't require it, they're not requesting for it, I mean, you would know if they need it because they will send you an email. So if there's no email saying we're expecting your document, if the requirement is not there, that you finish the application, there's nothing like send your document. Before you started the application, you read through the requirements, there's nothing like send your there's nowhere they're asking you to send document, then it's not part of the requirement. But if it's clearly stated, send your document, please send it. Because some universities via Uni-Assist will not request for document verification, will not request that you send hard copies. Like they'll just ask you to scan online, like upload it online. So universities will ask you to send it, some universities won't. So what is your university requesting from you? Then I have this, somebody also asked on that day, said, I've been looking for this answer, do you have any idea, is it a must to courier the document? I would say on the Uni-Assist page, like literally when you enter, you will see even the requirements will still be there. The things you need to upload, the things you need to submit, what you need to do will still be there. So just use this. Thank you for coming to today's video. I hope that this has been helpful for you. I think that I would have to do a part 2 of this because I'm trying to keep it under 10 minutes. So till I come your way again, my name is Oluwatoyin and this is